Hello everyone, I am Vartika Kandpal from Zed Vidya Mandir English High School, Standard 2nd. Subject English Grammar, topic Making Smaller Words. Lesson number 30 of your grammar book. Today's topic is making smaller words. We have to make small words from a bigger words, okay? Now, how you can do it? Let us see. Words that end in ment, ful, ing, nes. Remember it. The words which are ending with ment, ful, ing, nes. Okay, all the four. Please remember it. Can be made smaller. Okay. The words which are ending with all the four words can be made smaller. Okay. Now let us see how. All you have to do is to strike off the ment, ful, ing or nes. Okay. You only have to strike off these words from the bigger words. Okay, let us see how. For example, see over here, the word is given agreement, and again it is ending with ment. If you will strike off ment, it will become agree. The smaller word for agreement, agree. Okay. Now again see over here, doing. Over here, if you will strike away ing, the smaller word will be do. What it will be? Do. Very good, children. Now one more example for you all. Again see over here, careful. Again it is ending with full. Then if you will strike full from careful, it will become care. What it will become? Care. Very good. Now let us do some exercise based on it. It is in your grammar book also. Strike off ment, full, ing or ness in the word below to get smaller word. You have to strike all these four from the bigger word to get a smaller word. Okay, remember children, ment, full, ing and ness. Okay. Now the first one, statement, statement. Again it is ending with ment. So if you will strike off ment from statement, it will become state. See, it is so easy now, children. Yes. From statement you will get state. Now the second one, harm, harmful, ful. Over here again if you will strike ful from harmful, you will get harm. What you will get? Harm. From harmful you will get which word? Harm. Very good. Now let us do the next one. falling, falling. From it, if you will strike ing, it will become fall. What it will become? Fall. So the smaller word for falling will be fall. Falling will be fall. Very good. It is very easy now, children. Now let us do the next one. greatness, greatness. From greatness, if you will strike off ness, what you will get? Tell me, children. Can you anyone of you tell me? Yes, we will get great. Very good, children. Okay, from greatness, what you will get? Great. Okay, only you have to strike off the endings. enjoying. It is enjoying. Again, if you strike off ing, you will get enjoy. enjoy. So enjoying smaller word is enjoy. You all are enjoying it now, children? Yes. Now the next one. cheerful, cheerful. Now if you will strike off ful, then you will get cheer. For cheerful, what will be the smaller word? Cheer. Very good. Now let us see the next one. treatment, treatment. From treatment, if you will strike off ment, you will get, what you will get, children? Can anyone of you tell me? Yes, you will get treat, treat. From treatment, you will get treat. Very good. Now the next one. raining, raining. From raining, if you will strike off ing, you will get rain. No, it is very easy, na children? Yes, and you are enjoying it also, na? Now the next one. sickness, sickness. From sickness, if you will strike off ness, you will get sick. What you will get? Sick. Very good, children. From sickness, sick. The next one. forgetful, forgetful. From it, if you will strike off ful, what you will get, children? Can anyone of you tell me? Yes, forget. What you will get? Forget. Forgetful. The smaller word is forget. Very good. Now the next one. punishment, punishment. From it, if you will strike ment, then what you will get, children? Punish. What you will get? Punish. From punishment, punish. Very good. Now the next one. singing, singing. From it, if you will strike off ing, you will get sing. What you will get? Sing. From singing, what you will get? Sing. Very good. Now the next one. payment. From it, if you will deduct or strike off ment, you will get pay. Very good. From payment, you will get pay. Very good, children. Now the next one. sharpness, sharpness. From sharpness, if you will strike off ness, then what you will get, children? Can anyone of you tell me? Yes, we will get sharp. Very good. Sharpness, sharp. Now the next one. hopeful, hopeful. From hopeful, if you will strike off ful, you will get hope, hope. From hopeful, you will get hope. Very good. Now the next one. kindness. From kindness, if you will strike off ness, what you will get, children? Yes, you will get kind. From kindness, you will get kind. Very good. Now the next one. walking, walking. From walking, if you will strike off ing, you will get walk. Very good. You all are enjoying it, na children? It is very easy. Now the next one. arrangement, arrangement. If you will strike MENT from arrangement, you will get arrange. What you will get? Arrange. Very good. Only you have to remember, children, if the words are ending with MENT, ING, FUL and NES, these words can be made smaller by striking all these things. Okay, children? Please remember MENT, ING, FUL, NES. If the words are ending with it, you can make smaller words. Please complete it in your grammar book. Okay, children, it is in your grammar book. So please complete it over there. Thank you very much.